Hola amigos. Today I want to talk to you about direct object pronouns, the que, por qué, and donde. Many of you are probably asking, what's a direct object? Direct objects are nouns or pronouns that receive the action of the verb. For example, I bring my textbook to class every day. The direct object usually follows the verb and answers the question who or what the verb is acting on. For example, I could ask, who am I bringing? I'm not bringing anyone. What am I bringing? My textbook. That makes my textbook the direct object. Direct objects can be a noun or a pronoun. Now, in Spanish, direct object nouns are placed after a conjugated verb. For example, quiero la camisa azul. I want the blue t-shirt. What do I want? The blue t-shirt. That's all my direct object noun. Direct object pronouns are placed directly before the conjugated verb. La quiero. I want it. Now, if you're the note-taking type, these two sentences are really important. Direct object nouns are placed after the conjugated verb. Direct object pronouns are placed before the conjugated verb. So what is the purpose of a direct object pronoun? Well, it's simple. It shortens the sentence. It eliminates redundancy. I didn't put it in here, but it also cuts down on repetition and makes it so you're not saying the same thing over and over again. Cuts out redundancy. For example, in answering a question, you might say, do you like tacos al pastor? And you'd answer, I love tacos al pastor. I eat tacos al pastor every day. That's very redundant, very repetitive. Do you like tacos al pastor? I love them. I eat them every day. We can also use it to tell a story. For example, the other day I saw this black jacket. I loved it. So I tried it on and I ended up buying it. All of those use direct object pronouns. If not, it would sound like, the other day I saw a black jacket. I loved the black jacket. I tried the black jacket on. I bought the black jacket. People just don't talk like that. So using direct object pronouns then makes us sound more native-like. And speakers are lazy. And if we want to be a Spanish speaker, not a Spanish learner, we need to learn to do this. And it's easy to do. So, what are the Spanish direct object pronouns? We have me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las. Once again, me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las. So here's our verb tree with the me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las, and their accompanying direct object pronouns in English. Take a moment to write these down. So let's practice. We're going to be answering questions and we're going to answer them all yes, with sí. For example, ¿Quieres la blusa rosada? Do you want the pink blouse? We're going to say yes, I want it. Sí, la quiero. What do I want? The pink blouse. You'll notice the pink blouse, la blusa rosada, is feminine and singular, so I picked the feminine singular la. ¿Compra los jeans azules? Are you buying the blue jeans? Sí, los compro. Yes, I'm buying them. Los is referring to los jeans azules. ¿Prefieres las camisetas verdes? Sí, las prefiero. Do you prefer the green t-shirts? Yes, I prefer them. Las referring to las camisetas verdes. The next two are a little trickier. ¿Me entiendes? Do you understand me? Sí, te entiendo. Yes, I understand you. And ¿el señor Dennett habla a ustedes? Is Señor Dennett talking to you all? Sí, nos habla. Yes, he is talking to us. You'll notice in all of these examples, I put the direct object pronoun right in front of the verb. However, there are times when we have an infinitive as part of our verb phrase. And when we have an infinitive after our conjugated verb, the direct object pronoun can be placed either before the conjugated verb, like in my examples, or it can be attached to an infinitive. For example, let's say we have the sentence, Quiero comprar zapatos negros hoy. I want to buy black shoes today. And I want to shorten it. What do I want to buy? Black shoes. Zapatos negros is my direct object. So I replace it with the pronoun los, and I put that pronoun at the very beginning before my conjugated verb. Los quiero comprar hoy. That is a proper sentence. However, because I have an infinitive, I do have the option of attaching it as well. And I could say, quiero comprarlos hoy. I want to buy them today. Now, native speakers will usually prefer the attached method. It's the same number of letters, same number of syllables, same speed, but there's something in our brain that says 3 words is shorter than 4. So that tends to be the one they opt for. However, both are equally correct, and no one would think 2 thoughts if you put it in front instead of attaching. So let's summarize. We find direct objects by asking who or what the verb is asking on. We can replace the direct object and all of its articles and modifiers with a direct object pronoun. We move that direct object pronoun right in front of the verb. There should be nothing between a direct object pronoun and the verb. You can, in certain sentences, attach your direct object pronoun to an infinitive, not to a conjugated verb. Otherwise, just leave it in front of the verb. And our direct object pronouns, once again, me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las. I hope this video has explained a bit to you and help you understand the direct object pronouns a little better. Please send me a message if you have any questions. Otherwise, happy studying, Spuds.